In previous videos, we've taken the E-Revo 2.0 and put it up against the old one. We've done a tug of war, flipped this thing, a sumo battle, but today we are jumping stuff over this ramp. How far can this E-Revo go and not break? We've put it up against the old Revo. We've got other cars today, a cheaper version. What is going to happen? What the hell is that?
Now this is about the fourth E-Revo we've had, and always really loved the E-Revos, but this is definitely better than the old versions. It doesn't look like they've done a lot of stuff to it. I mean, there's just sort of minor tweaks here and there, but it all adds up to a much stronger and more stable car. Our old car has just been flogged, and we've done a lot of really crazy things with it, and it's all bent and a bit messed up now. But I think the improvements with the wheels, the drivetrain, all that sort of stuff has made they're small tweaks, but they made a big difference, and it really drives well. It's just a pleasure to drive it. It's a lot of fun. As you can see, even in the air, it's really stable. That jump there at 20 meters is crazy. I mean, just to get it out of the box and just fly it over the ramp like that. The power, even the old ones, like the power was always a lot. But this is very cool, and we're really enjoying this. Just sort of matching that with the old one. Maybe it's not a great comparison with that one because that one has really been thrashed. It's been rebuilt a few times. Stuff isn't straight anymore. The settings aren't quite right. It's been driven across the water, been rebuilt, all that sort of stuff. But still managed to get 14 meters out of it. So that's pretty cool. You can see when we're running it up on a bench, and that's it's vibrating really badly now because wheels and stuff are just out. It's all just bent out of shape, and the bearings need changing, that sort of stuff. So, you know, that's not a bad jump off some pretty shallow ramps. They're, you know, just single skate ramps. Same batteries in both lots of 6S batteries, 5 amps, so comparable. But this one's got the old wheels on it, that sort of stuff. And yeah. The jumps aren't as good with this, and it's not down to skill. I mean, it's the same guy driving it. Tom's driving both lots. This just wasn't as steady in the air, and I think when you've got a rotating mass of those tyres, it's a lot easier to stabilise a vehicle in the air with bigger rotating mass. This is the U-Tour. Now, we used the U-Tour on a video probably a couple of years ago. We did some tug of wars with this. This is actually a pretty tough rig, except right there we broke a wheel, so that was the end of that. Now, this was a real surprise, this little truckie. I hadn't driven it before. Tom drove it and had an absolute ball with it, and he said, "Have you driven this? You really got to have a go." And it was awesome. Really punchy, lightweight, and actually went further than the old E-Revo in jump stakes. But it was just great to drive. It just handled really well, and it just was a bit of a reminder that there's obviously a big difference between driving a car like this and a monster truck. They're just totally different vehicle. Same batteries as the U-Tour in this one. Much smaller. I think there were 2-cell lipos, so you know 4 all up, 4 cells in this, and really punchy, good battery life, and there you go, 17.7 meters, so that wasn't bad. We actually measured all the cars at the end of the video, so that's why we were putting these, well, the only things that we could find on the ground, so we could mark the spots, but pretty consistent jumps, so you know, we think that was fairly accurate. Obviously, you know, it's not down to the centimetre, we're not going for gold here, but okay, so this is our airboat. I looked around online for some designs, couldn't find anything I liked, so I just came up with this. I was at Red Dot one day with the guys and saw this boogie board. It was $30, and I thought, yeah, look, I'm going to whack some drone motors on this and see what happens. And this is the result. I'm going to modify this more. I'll make a video about it and some how-tos and a PDF if you want to have a crack at this yourself. But a lot of fun. It goes crazy. It's crazy. I had it out in the water. Good fun. And it jumps as well, so yeah, more on this soon.
The E-Revo jumped the furthest, that was really good, but I quite like the BSR. It's a really good fast car. It's pretty good for its price.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and watch these crazy videos too. Stupid fast assy.
Okay, is it zeroed?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, it's dark here. Alright. Alright,
14.
so that's 14, can I see that? So 14 metres, even. Yeah, 14 metres. What was that one? Revo.
That was the first Revo, yeah. This is 17 at third.
17 metres there.
Maybe, yeah.
17.7. Okay. And
24.
20.4.
It's pretty good.
That's not bad, is it? Just all the way back to the camera stand, which is there. So that's a 20.4 metre jump. That's awesome.